Hello everyone, my name is Sagar.Utekar and currently I am with KubeStellar, which is a CNCF sandbox project, and I am part of DevRel team. Today with me I have a rising star in the world of cloud native technologies and open source innovation contributor Rupam Manna. He recently graduated and completed his bachelor's in information technology from um, one of the college in Kolkata. The best part is he maintained an impressive CGPA of 8.8. When load, don't let the student status fool you. Rupam's already making waves as a citizen developer and maintainer in the Kubernetes ecosystem. That is why today I have Rupam with me to share his story from being a newbie to open source world, then joining KubeStellar project as a LFX mentee, and now being a maintainer. So we want to learn from his journey, and let's start with quick introduction from Rupa.
Thank you, Sagar, for the wa- warm, warm introduction of me. So basically, hi everyone. I'm Rupam Marna, recently graduated from RCC IIT in Information Technology. So I was selected as a LFX mentee at KubeStellar, and currently I am maintaining the Repo KubeStellar. Also, working as a mentor in LFX term. And thank you, Sagar, for this podcast. We can start our journey.
Perfect. So, Rupam, can you walk us through your journey to LFX mentorship program? Because I still get a lot of queries about where to start. What are those open source program? And you already started contributing to open source projects. You found the path during your college days. So, what can you walk us through your journey to join us as a LFX mentee, and what motivated you to apply for the CubeStellar project? Is yeah, let's start with that.
Okay. So basically, in my early days, I don't know what is actually Kubernetes is, what open source is, what LFX is. So one of my friend called Parthiva, he is my school test friend. He first get selected to the LFX and told that he always motivated me. Open source is great. Open source. The people are from IITs are here. They always helpful. Also, I saw some college people of my seniors like Soham Banerjee and Shomku, I sorry, Sondipan Panda. Huh?
Okay.
Both are there. They are CAC, LFX, and GSOCs for multiple times, and they are the main motivation of me to be get selected in the term of open source. Then as our journey, I was previously maintaining the man stack development, and
Okay.
after that, I got know about the CNCF projects. So then I started Go Kubernetes, and when I was starting, I first contribute to Antria, then Mycox, and then
Nice.
I go to the Kubestellar, and currently I'm stick with it, and I think in future we will go our motto from sandbox to graduated.
Definitely. Yes, that is going to be our target. So one quick question, because this is one of the question I get a lot, that colleges don't teach Kubernetes, colleges don't teach cloud or the DevOps part. Even Golang is not part of college curriculum. So how did you come from that group to learning yourself these new technologies which are required by the industry? So what would you recommend to those students?
So I would recommend those students that first start uh, contributing or learn the open source. First start Golang, that how it's simplifying the means modern development. Because if you see Golang, that it has a very easy syntax rather than C and C++. Also,
Yeah.
it consists pointers, and also it is fast and uh, very convenient for distributed system, microservices system as well. Also, if you think that how servers are working previous, how cloud can replace those physical servers, not that means of replace, but if you think deeply that servers are replaced because no company is creating their own data centers or servers. So that is the most interesting thing. You and nowadays no one is stopping you because
Correct.
you study from YouTube, you study from Medium Blog, you can study from Sagar's channels as well. He is giving you the Linux under the hood things from his Discord and daily updates. So that is the one of the learning. Also there are hundreds of things. Chat GPT and those AI tools are
So
there.
yeah.
You can take some part of it. That how I can learn my best path or roadmap from there as well. So these are the things you can go with.
Yes. So one thing we need to highlight here is that you need to have that will to learn. Otherwise, you will find one or another reason to blame someone else. Maybe this time it's college, or sometime it will you will start blaming to your friends that they did not you did not had a good friend circle, and that is why you are into that situation. So it's better that like you got good seniors in your college. Those seniors were available for everyone in our college, but you are one of those students who approached to them, learned from their journey, got inspired from their journey, and then started contributing to open source project. As well as you were part of the college, and similarly there were multiple, like thousands of students, others were there. But what you did differently is that you understood that Kubernetes is very important, learning Golang is very important. You used online resources, free resources available, and then upskilled yourself. So that is the thing we need to recommend every student that who are into that phase, that we are not getting taught in these and that, and just come out of that phase. Okay. The next thing which I want to ask you is that can you talk about your LFX mentorship project in short? What are those challenges you solved? And um, yeah, let's start with that.
Okay, so my LFX internship was start from that Helm chart refactoring because Helm, if you look at Helm, so Helm has some uh, means limitation, like it does not give you in, uh, means deploy in a order because it has some order like for p-install hook or post-install hooks, but it does not give you the flexibility that my resource A is deployed, and if resource A is reached to some stage, in that particular step, our resource B will be executed. So it does not have that proper mechanism. So that was starting from there. So first, it is introduced that we should contribute to Helm. Then I talk with Helm maintainer. They told me that it's not a good idea. It can be fragile for Helm. You should go with a Kubernetes operator and do with the actual Go language or Python language. So that's why I propose some solution Kubernetes, but it's not accepted because there is already some operator is there. How many operator is going to do this thing? So that's why I do something that uh, there is the main part of WD is KubeStellar is WDS control plane rather than virtual control plane. So I ensure that our virtual control plane is always ready when the API server and our controller both are getting ready. So that is the main pair I have submitted. Then kubectl has some limitation. Like if you query by kubectl, and if that resource does not exist, then it will give you the error. So
Hmm.
kubectl is basically using do while loop to checking by batch skip. I have migrate those things from do while loop to kubectl for create command that will ensure that your resource is created first and then it will be queried second.
Okay.
Then another one is that K3s. KubeStellar ensure that your K3s will be installed first and then it will query your K3s. But here one catch is that it will install and it is querying at the very next moment. It is not ensuring that your K3 is actually running or not. So that is the thing I have improved. And fourth thing is that I have break controller into two parts. Our one is transport controller and one is CubeStellar controller. Both are in uh, single way. They are merged, but I have divided into two parts. And next term is that in our health chart, whenever we set up the Argo CD, it is basically set out by a complex batch script. It is checking that is our Argo CD is ready, is our container is ready. I have migrated those things in init container so
Nice.
that
Okay.
it's fast. Yeah, it's fast that it definitely created, it get ready, it's get deployed, and it get sync up with the secret or config map that's there. So that is the main work 4 or 5 work. Also, I have done some documentation thing in my journey of it.
Those are too many things to do in one LFX term. Wonderful. Thank you for your contribution. So that's enough of talk. Can you move to the demo? Can you show us your LFX project and walk us through PR or implementation part, how you implemented those init containers for the Reliance, and also walk us through KubeStellar setup if you could do that.
Yeah, definitely. So can you enable my share?
Oh, okay. Uh, I'm not getting any notification actually. Oh, okay. Try now. Okay.
Yeah, it's what. Thank you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's coming up.
So if I go to Kipler, if I go to PR, then these are the PRs which is raised by me, and this is the most important PR I think in
Okay.
Kipler that is being raised by me. So you can see, so this is the main part where we are thinking that Argo CD quad creation is getting, and you can see some do while loop. This do while loop is getting done, which do it complex rather than we can go with some easy syntax with init container. You can see
Mhm.
syntax is easy and also reliable that Helm chart will always ensure your Argo City container is working or not. It's ensured that control planes are ready, then it is working, and then also wait for control plane is getting the image or not. So let's deep dive to the quick demo. I'm go to my chart.
Okay.
Let's is it visible? Okay. So first we will be creating a kind container, a kind cluster. Sorry. If it is created earlier for you, then it is a good shot. You don't have to need this step. Also, I want to mention you can get all of this documentation in our KubeStellar website. You can
Yeah.
definitely visit and do your hand study with it. I will surely recommend you. So
Yes.
we are
I think that's the first step, right? Like if someone wants to contribute to our project, they need to set up KubeStellar on their local machine and play with it, break it, see how it works, what are the different features, and maybe they will come up with new features as well. And
yes, yes,
documentation is good. Yeah, they can follow it. Yeah.
yes. That is the most fast step. So we are creating our control planes here rather than virtual control planes.
Okay.
Sorry, you kubectl get CP. So CP stands for control plane. So you can see that it is getting 14 seconds. So within some second, like 100 second, it is getting up and running. And after that, we will set up our Argo CD here. You can get all of this command in our documentation, so you don't have to worry about the command now.
Hmm.
So once the
Even
Argo
as
City,
part of, sorry to interrupt. So even as part of Devrel team, we are working on couple of videos and we wrote document medium blogs they can follow. I'll drop that link in the video description. They can follow it to set up KubeStellar on their machine. Yeah,
yeah,
please
thank
continue.
you. Yeah, it is taking some time. So it start. So here is
Hmm.
the where we can get our Argo City password.
So this is like integration of your KubeStellar cluster with Argo CD, right?
Yes, integration of
Yeah.
cluster with Argo. So now we have to hit this URL
Okay.
into our browser. Please mention the port 9443, and you have to ignore this error because it is for HTTP rather than HTTPS.
Yeah.
And admin is the username and password is given by that command. Let me check the password once. Yeah, it's working. So we did not deploy any app till now, so that is the reason it give you nothing. But if you go to setting and cluster, you can see that our default cluster is there. For
Yeah.
so that is the main thing. I think we will do some good demo in future as well. So this is
Yes.
a very basic one. Thank you.
Correct. Yes, but this is helpful. Thank you for showing us, at least walk us through the steps of how to install KubeStellar and then Argo CD. For the upcoming videos, we'll do the next part of how to use KubeStellar to deploy workloads on multiple Kubernetes cluster, all those next steps. Okay. Yes. So I want to learn from your journey, from your mentee, and then becoming now maintainer for KubeStellar project. So who were those inspiring people from KubeStellar community who you admire a lot, and they help you to reach to this stage?
So when in the starting, I found the whole team is as helpful as much because when I was stuck with set up the basic thing like OCM error, which is the core component of our Kushler. Mike helped me the more. Rhino helped me, and but if we go with the most contribution, that is Franco. So I would like to thank you, Franco. He is with me from the first day of my mentorship to the last day until now. He is helping me to learn new things and how to get reach up 20 PRs, how to do something better. I talk about the control plane readiness. What could be the algorithm for this? So everything is means helped by Franco. I can't just ignore uh, his help and converted me into
Yeah.
maintenance is never gonna be happen.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Franco, for giving us a great maintainer for our Kipsteller community. I mean, that is how we are growing by learning and afflicting each other. You learn from your mentor, Franco, and now you are guiding new mentees to make their open source journey smoother. So that's a very sweet part about this open source. Now, the final question which I have, um, you know, I joined DevRel team of KubeStellar, and one mission for us is that we want to take this sandbox project to graduation stage in coming years. I think you are already doing a lot of work. You are working on kubectl multi and then Argo CD integration. I'm sure you're working on other parts of KubeStellar as well. So what is your vision for this project? Um, from this, sandbox project to the graduation stage. As a mentor, what are you looking for, or what is your vision?
Okay. So first, I want to thank you, Sagar, and your Devrel team because first of that, I got many questions that what is the use case of CubeStellar. So I think you are the main one who means end the gap between the use case and the actual project to the end user and the other uh, popular communities. And my vision is that we are working good as of now. We are adding some feature like you can see the status of multi-cluster in one place by WC status together after this term. Also you can check the hyperscaler thing integration. You can do some basic operation with hyperscaler like IBM Cloud or AWS with our KubeStellar. So that is the thing. Also, I want to see the success like as we promise our user that it is a multi-cloud and multi-tenant app. So that is the main motto of graduating from sandbox to graduating the KubeStellar.
Yeah, that's so nice. Okay. So finally, thank you very much, Rupam, for your time. I know it's Friday and you are still here doing podcast with me, and all the contribution you have been doing since joining the CubeStellar. From entire CubeStellar community and CubeStellar family, I thank you very much and wish you all the best. See you soon. Anything you want to mention before we
Thank
close
you.
this?
Thank you to Sagar for this beautiful podcast. I think you should follow and share this video and give a subscribe to Sagar. And our entire CubeSlash team is great. I talk with Andy and KP, Raj. Both are the main starting idea of this CubeSlash. So
Hmm.
I would like to thank you both of them and also the Deborah team who is working this great initiative. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you very much. See you soon, Rupam. Okay.
Thank you.